Correct remote control wiring setup explained. And this is the remote together with the control device. The only problem is, there's no instruction manual included in the package. But don't worry, I already understand the wiring and how this system works. So just watch closely, because the installation is actually very simple once you know the correct connections. This is one of the advantages when you have basic knowledge in electrical wiring and boat electronics. You can troubleshoot and install things yourself even without a manual. Now let's begin the setup. The red wire is the positive wire. I also prepared a short jumper wire that will connect the positive input supply to the COM terminal of the relay. Next is the black wire, which is the negative wire. Here, I will connect both the negative wire of the blinker light and the negative wire from the power supply together. Now we will connect this red wire to the V+ input terminal. This will supply positive power to the control module so the remote system can operate properly. Next, we will connect the black wire to the ground terminal. This black wire serves as the negative connection of the system and completes the electrical circuit for the device. Now this short red jumper wire will be connected to the COM terminal. This connection will allow the positive power supply to pass through the relay whenever the remote control activates the system. It may look simple, but proper wiring is very important to make sure the blinker light operates correctly and safely on board. And now for the final connection. The red wire from the blinker light will be connected to the normally op terminal, which means normally open, once the remote control is activated. The relay will switch on and send power to the blinker light automatically. Now that all the wires are connected, it is very important to double-check every connection carefully before turning the power on. Always make sure the wiring installation is correct, secure, and free from loose connections to avoid electrical problems or damage to the system. All right, everything is finished. Now let's place the control module back inside its casing for protection against dust, moisture, and accidental wire contact. Keeping electrical components protected is very important, especially on board a boat where vibration and moisture are always present. And now comes the exciting part. It's time to test the system and see if our installation really works. Let's power it on, and let's go. Now the red alligator clip goes to the positive terminal of the battery. And of course, the black clip goes to the negative terminal. Everything is now connected. So let's press the remote and test the system. Yes, it works perfectly, legit.